Good night to all kita. At least me look I want one new space for you plan. First time before you may start. It's a pleasure to be with you all. Hammastro. This is my first health talk for a whole year. The last one was July 2019 at Bomana, Gona Church. So it's been a while, but praise God na good plan look you plan. Hammas lo stop one time you play. It's always nice to go somewhere where you haven't been before. And true or no God? Yes. Amen. I praise God that there are many of you tonight. First night is always the hardest. People trickle in later during the week. But Hammas lo stop. Look you plus stop. Thank you. You'll see our topic. Choose today who you will serve. Why did I choose that? For a health talk. Enough lo golo lotu evangelistic meeting. Me like ask you one question lo you plan. By the way, you plan one day lo me talk PC or talk English or two one time? One kind of semi mixed race go come. So question me like ask him this la. One number one killer lo man Mary lo this la ground. Number one killer. What is the number one thing or lead lo kill him all man? At the moment, some people will be thinking of coronavirus. Is coronavirus the number one killer? Is it TB? Malaria or one something? Someone answered correctly there. Believe it or not, it's lifestyle diseases. Lifestyle diseases. I told my patient last week Tuesday, me look him clinic, na me talk him. My friend, your condition you have is because of your lifestyle. And she told me, doctor, me no got lifestyle. I don't have a lifestyle. Because she was 65. And she thought I was talking about going to parties or like that. And I realized and I said, no, I don't mean you go to parties or drink beer or like that. I meant your choices. What you choose to eat, what you choose to drink, what you choose to do has made you sick. You have a lifestyle illness based on your choices. If you look at the infectious disease too, TB na kind of sick, malaria or something sa kill him all man too. If you dig him go, HIV to all get up. You dig him go, you will find a choice at the root of everything. A choice that started it all. So you see our theme, choose today who you will serve. It's about choices again. Joshua bin Storilo, Israelites, he told them it is a choice you have to make. You have to choose. And now the question me like ask him, does our diet reflect who we serve? Do our choices in food and drink, do they reflect who we serve? So during this week we'll try and see. Am true or no God? Tonight we are talking about, does your health depend on what you eat? Does your health depend on what you eat? Hamamas blue health blue lo disla ground and depend lo one something you kaike or no God? One something you drink. Am karamapi molgeta something go inside lo mouse. So let's look at this. First, you need to understand the body is made up of cells. Body blomipla made up of cells. Cell and one bla something I blomipla hard lo look him. This one and mipla karem come close to straight na mipla look him lo screen lo here. You plus some plus are so more close. Some ladies here you plus are so him close. Some of you are old and your eyes are not good. Na time needles are roused lo disla threads are roused lo disla needle. You sa sing out him inside lo come put him go inside. All picking. My grandmother used to do that to me. I felt important because Mr. Gonna put him inside and succeed. So it's a good thing. Call them to come and put it in. But that little eye of the needle where you look him, believe it or not, you can fit him 200 plus cell go inside. 200 plus blood cell go inside, red blood cell. You can fit him go inside just like eye of the needle. Meaning they are very tiny. You cannot see it. So if you start having problems, lo cell blue, and by only 7 time, millions of cells are affected. 200, 500 or 1,000 or 10,000. Remember, go millions pinis na, but you start to realize something is wrong. So this is the cell. Suppose you look at me, got bunnies inside, na one bunnies outside. Lo cell blomipla. A fence on the inside, a fence on the outside. Now you look, this la bunnies lo inside. Them got one plus special something stuff inside. Them information where them stuff inside. This la special information them stuff. This la brown pla. Time you unroll him, and by look or send. Now this la special information, I give him information, lo come up him this la eye color blo mipla, whether mipla got green eyes or blue eyes, or brown eyes. Even nose shape blo mipla too, whether mipla got lig nose, where everybody stop sharp, na look or sem, na imba look or say white man, or mipla got tripla one, where all get a wing tube and pull him go inside one time dust, or this la kind size nose and stuff, inside lo information. So suppose we look him or say nose blue, you know, like him. You know, look or say Hollywood star, you know, can try him lo senisim. Them information come lo mama na papa. Hard lo reverse him. Now, two grass tools are stuff inside lo this la information. Whether grass blue am soft or am strong. Whether you need lo relax him, so am by blow lo window. Am yet by blow lo wind. This la stuff inside la have. Long pla blow you, short pla blow you. Even sickness is also in that information. So Papa I got cancer lo bell rope and by pass go lo picking in blame through that information. But there are things where also keep him quiet. Now things where also expose him. Now read him this la information come out. This la am all types blo cell blo body blo kuru em look or some kind. Em got bunnies outside na bunnies inside, but then em got all lompla hand leg lo communicate. One plus cell blo kuru sa holding pass him 10,000 nalpla. You think him are making prayer. How many people can you hold hands with when you are praying? When you're making a group prayer. It's just two people holding one pla lo right, holding one pla lo left. This Lord cell lo nev all can hold him 10,000 at one time. Now also connect go come. So one plus signal come. And group of nerves all activated at the same time. So you son up him nail what I left blue, you clear penis na you rouse him. You know na stop na process him stop him. One him something me son up him na. Pen kamos and one emo. You by clear penis na you by rouse him. Now you look lo mouse. Cell lo mouse look one kind of cell where you me looking past time. Bunnies outside, bunnies inside and look round and nice. Then you look lo throat. Throat them different ligli can. Em lompla or semipla or kerema. You look lo have em lompla. Then em got grass on top. Now reason why I'm got grass on top, and time you got him kus. This little grass a wave na move him this la kus come on top lo throat blue, then you can cough him out. Or line where sa smoke also destroy him this la layer blo grass top on top. Them amazing, huh? One cell, all got basic one, but they are different, specialized. For the work we all stop learn, place all stop learn. Cell globule, you look him and pectide one. So him can hold him force and give him structure lo body. Pectide was implanted or line lo highland sa so plana pectide. You look at calf muscle blood tripla. Em kind bone cell or sem tight strong. Now then you look lo cell blo lewa. Cell blo lewa, he got bunnies inside, but this la bunnies outside em loose. Em also more join him go come. Before all houses lo must be suppose we've been stopped lo 80s. He's got plenty fence around him yard or no god. All man suggest plan him hibiscus tasol na you like all house plan you just walk across. And one kind of send lo lewa. One plus signal come, all get up by sharing. So one plus signal come, all get a cell lo lewa sa move one time. Almost I need him plenty signal, also kiss him one platason, all get a understanding and move one time. Church should also himself lo lewa too or no god. One plus signal come, all move one time. All no got bunnies outside, all open lewa and all sharing, all get a something go come. Church should also monoga. Em should also one kind of some cell lo lewa. Now you just tell him this Lord get a cell. We could go on and on. There are so many different cells one time, legally individual function blow. But just look at how amazing these things are. Man, we're making him sit down and think him good na make him. Em no long na just talk, okay, let's make a man na just make him nothing. Man, I'm scale him good na I'm making. Em true or no guys? Who's that man making? God. Which one am go past lo making? You can talk Rainbow Church building this la church, but who's that man am architect? One man am architect. Now who said man go past lo give him money? Them you all get a sit down lo here. Now who said man go past lo build him? This like carpenter. So me ask him lo carpenter. Me no ask him lo all get a line fund him make him kind. Who said them carpenter? Handiwork blow side. Handiwork blow Yesu. In the beginning was the Word, and the Word was with God, and the Word was God. The same was in the beginning with God, and all things that were made by Him, and nothing was made without Him. And verse 14, and the Word became flesh and dwelt among us. The great, mighty Creator became a human being. This la handiwork blame him clear semiat by come na kiss him behind. It had to be something where by holding God inside. Him true no God. Him amazing. Huh? That's why Paul and I'm just amazed Lord Islam man. All get the disciples. Even John kerap na talk mipla luki me mipla holy man. Him amazing nan plakain man when mipla been stuck one time. I'm great na mighty God. You know man nothing. Let's start our talk with this. These two people, Jacob and Laban. You play clear law or no God? Laban and Musaid lo Jacob. And one em lo Jacob. Yes, a uncle, and at the same time, and one and blame. Father-in-law, Father-in-law, lo Jacob. Now, first 7 years here, Jacob walk blame, lo farm blame, lo animals, look out him all get something. For what? For Rachel. And on that night, you plus I want him something come out. Must black out there. PNG power in a walk on and blackout come up lahab. Now I am no looking face blow side come lo house, lo this la night, I'm go stop one time. Morning I'm shocked. Sun come up, I'm looking Musai. Leah. He worked another 7 years, and then he finally got Rachel. True love blame. And then at the end of those years, I'm scaling go na talk mini lo go back lo papa na mama na stop one time more. Now I'm talk lo this la father-in-law na talk I need to return. Now father-in-law I'm looking for some time. Jacob was with him. What happened to his flocks and herds and his business? I'm go down or I'm grow? It grew. Manya talk, please. Big man stop one time you here. You stop, na me stop. You no can go, you stop. You talk one time something, you like me lo buy me, now buy me buy me. First 14 years you walk lo Mary or beginning Mary blow me, now buy me. I will pay you wages. So Jacob kerab na talk, okay. All get a sip where all brown or same all meme where all got him kind spot, na all got him stripe or cow got spot, na got him stripe. This love I paid lo me. Now you scale him this little animal lo here. All look common or all uncommon animals. You saw look at plenty kind brown kind sheep or noga. Plenty kind meme with spot one side or noga. All cow now we got plenty spot cow. But though this last time me no think plenty spot cow been stopped. Now Jacob talk all get us something where I'm rare. Give him some pay blow me. Now the father-in-law was a greedy man. So when Jacob said this and talk, oh right, then me go more rich na by at least come up lick taso. So I'm talk it's a deal. But Jacob was smart. When the animals came to drink at the water, place where also drink land, time will come lo drink. Jacob and kiss him tripla kind DY, poplar, hazelnut and chestnut tree. All branches blow and buruk him, cut him, na then him strip him this la skin blow, back blow and strip him. Na time I'm stripping him, karem na go torme inside lo this la wara blow drinking. And that's when he saw the strong and the good animals all come lo drink, he threw it in. When the weak ones came, him no torome. But when the strong and good ones came, him torome in all drink. And do you know what happened to these animals? Time all go stop one time now come up in baby. What color were their babies? All karem this la all color. So time Jacob look your weak body animal come, him no put his stick go inside. Na time all go karem this la kalab lo Laban. Laban look me please, money I will go prosper na grow na kiss him all get the animal na nice one na mix all get the rubbish lick animal stuff. Na money I'm bail out there and I'm changing pay blame 10 times. And every single time I'm Jacob go fully me one time this la go come stop. Jacob and make him na Laban and go down and go on top. So all scientists don't like looking, please. Something money I make him, I'm got some principle science stuff inside, or I'm just black magic and make him stop. Puri and make him stop. So all kisi this law DY, all hazelnut, chestnut, poplar, diwai, na all kissing bark blow, na all scaling. Now all pining one pla lig fungus and stop inside underneath lo disla bark. You pla clear lo fungus or no gan? One pla fungus, mi pla sa karen lo body, mi pla sa to girele. Mi pla clear lo disla. Em should no stop lo body, should stop lo all stone, na diwai, na kaino sem, but grow lo man diwai to walk about round stuff. So all fungus here, all pining underneath lo disla bark lo diwai. Now looking mo sem disla fungus are producing some pla special chemical. Time em stop. So time em torome lo wara, this like chemicals release go lo animals no drink. Now time em go inside lo cell lo this lo animal. Lo system lo em go walk on top lo this la special information mi plus atok DNA. Em go walk on top na then em come up in this lo all skin color where Jacob's are like him. Em amazing, huh? Jacob em clear na em make him. Now suppose you look him. Does what you eat affect you? One of something you drink enough will affect the information to you or no God? Whatever you put in from this low animal, side animal, it affects us. Or affects them. Not let me not put us as animals. It affects them. And us, what do you think about us? Whatever we eat and drink am affecting mipla too or no God? Let's look at something that affects us. Mipla no sa ting plant ile. This line no tok place kerema, fibre. This line fiber. Fiber. Nobody reading fibre, I think me put him talk place, blow me go on top. And fiber. So tonight we are looking at this one thing, fiber. Now how emsa affecting body blow me plan. How emsa go down lo level blow cell na affecting this la information blow me plan. By me plan looking. So fiber am one something straight. Fiber am actually this little rope stuff inside lo kai. Suppose you look him all tapiok. Sampla rope bayu kai, but you baino naplo brukim na iba spetim come out kena. Suppose lapun tapiok all give him come lo you. All man less lo you no give mampla lapun one na. You strong lo kai go na. You spetim this la rope come out and fiber. He got all rope too where you can down him. Kai na down him. He got actually two pla different kind. One pla you kai lo mouse and by mix one time wara na come up and one pla kind soft pla something lo mouse. Nalpla, em time you kai em strong. Em no sa mix one time wara. Kaino semblo tapiok, taro, this la kind of fiber, this la kind of fiber stuff. He no sa mix one time wara. Soluble and insoluble fiber. He got walk blow by me play explaining. So this la all fiber, by you find him all soluble fiber, by you find him mainly all fruits. Mainly low fruits, na sampla grains or some oats, all beans, all cow, potato, pumpkin, carrot, by you find him lahap. Something where you chew him lo mouse and go mix good one time water. So this la by you pine him inside lo this la kai. Now this la kai or insoluble fiber. One way you sa mix one time water. By you pine him inside lo this la kai you mean look him lo have. Rice or la bread, wholemeal bread. You lulu golo all apple. Mitok all fruits got this la one was a mix one time water, but apple and skin on top. All fruits suppose you can get skin blow. The skin on the outside. Em insoluble. Em no sa mix one time water. So sampla kaya I got tupla blow this la stuff inside. Kind of say apple, I got this line no sa mix one time water, sem karama blend. Na inside meat blend, em sa mix one time water. So tupla different types stuff lo apple, na plenty all fruits. This la kind of one em stuff. Insoluble fiber, na mipla tok pinis yam, tapiok, na ola one em nampla something. Mipla inaplo thingy. Strompla, rope inside. Huh? Taro, banana, some little banana, yeah. Some roots, yeah. Root vegetables, all stuff inside. So those are examples of insoluble fiber. Bimpla by understanding one and walk blow. But there's one amazing thing about fiber. Emnosa give him energy blow you. Emnosa give him abus or protein blow you. Emnosa give him grease come blow you. It doesn't have any vitamins or minerals inside. Now body inosa absorb him. It's undigestible. You cannot digest it and take it into your system. So question is, why na mipla need him? Suppose him no got way lo give him mipla energy, no got way lo build him body, no got way lo give him grease, no got one pla way lo halve him body. So why na mipla need him this la fiber? If body ino na plo absorb him go inside. Emsa just pass through. Whether I mix one time water or I no mix good one time water, Emsa just pass through. Why do we need it? These are examples of all fiber kaikai. Kaikai were full of fiber. This lamb all kaikai where Esau been selling birthright blame golo Jacob or lentils. It was the red lentils where mania been cooking lo one plakain way na mania kam looking na bel hangere na go pundan laha. So please, let me die. This la birthright lusting thing, you can kiss him. Give him this la lentil soup, come lo me. Who said kage lentil spinach lo here? You know, plant here. Suppose you married lo Mary Fiji or one pla India or kind of same too by you kage because I'm online lo kage lentils. Now online lo Middle East. And pla by kage or lentils. I'm nice pla kage. Also salim lo stop. Please check for it. You look in white rice lo here, or you look in one pla white bread, or you look in noodles or biscuit lo here, snacks biscuit or some pla kind of white pla biscuit lo here or no. Are these things here in the fiber food group? No. Ino stop laha. M1M something. Ibika. You saw some Ibika and family lo hibiscus. Now me ask him one pla question. Lord Pikinini. What do you need for strong bones? What do you need to take a lot of for strong bones? Huh? Greens, other greens now. Ladal, siblat of one. Calcium from where? Milk, huh? Did you know that people lied to you? You don't need cow's milk to develop strong bones. Actually, the milk, plenty of black man all stop here, all got diarrhea time also kissing plenty milk. You plus some got diarrhea time plus drink milk. A lot of black people have diarrhea when they drink milk, and some white people. So milk is not actually made for grown-ups. It's made for babies, huh? And for babies, baby cow. This level Ibika or Kumuya, it got more calcium than calcium inside the milk block cow. So if you want strong bones, you should be eating a lot of what? Ibika, Kumu. But mipla are looking plate, mipla like in biggest piece of chicken. Mipla less low, this la good la piece of Ibika. Ibika mipla like a 3-4 leaf tasol na karut must try la karma bim rice. People understand him or no God? Now then mipla looky this la ilimo milk or me need to drink this la look is strong bones. But actually you need him this la. Calcium will stop inside lo Ibika bodies are absorbing better than this la calcium inside lo milk lo cow. It's made for the baby cow's intestine. You know, human beings' intestine. You understand him or no, God? That's why you buy absorb him good, no matter how well you drink or kind of sen. You buy absorb him good. So kai plant Ibika. No can kai liglik. We are looking at why fiber is important for the body, by the way. But why did I put this picture here? What is this? Weightlifting. Can you call some famous weightlifters in PNG? Dika Tuan outside. Stephen Curry, yeah. Did you know that some of us are secretly weightlifting too? Did you know that? Mipla wako weightlift on top of toilet pot too. Old man go past. Old man harim, old man tight him now, give him stop. Believe it or not, constipation is a very common problem in the world. And the simple reason is because people almost akisi fiber. One of the main something sahali in pekpek blue lo come good and fiber. This especially this insoluble type. So if you're eating enough fiber, you shouldn't be like that in the toilet. If you're struggling a bit, if you're straining a bit, you clear penis. One of something wrong one time you. Fiber sahali in pekpek lo come out, emsa keep him this digestive tract blumipla about 6 meters long in the adult, emsa keep him healthy. Emsa keep him healthy. If you don't take enough fiber, that place is gonna be no good. Just imagine, pek one plus clean plus something or no good something. No good something. Just imagine suppose you only pek hand blue you for at least 1 day. Am I right or no God? Now you think in bell rob you by keeping pek inside law 3 days before you pek or 2 days before you pek. Am I right or no God? No. At least once or twice a day you should pek. But plenty mipla are skipping one day and pek the next day. Or something stuff inside them got good plus storage compartment stuff. And by affecting system, mipla must move him come out area. No can lose him pek stuff long time inside. One plus something lo fiber too. Emsa this la soluble fiber emsa go past antap grease where you kiss him lo kai na emsa allow him lo go inside lo blue throat blow you. Emsa rouse him lo belly na go out. Emsa halve him lo go out. So this la blue throat em no got want la grease pass inside. This la blue throat em lo planti man lo this la ground today will stop lo cities. No kai planti refined kai. No got planti fiber. Grease and block him. Na em go pagara. We'll look at that a bit more later in our other talk. One plus something all fibers are making memsa releasing sugar go slowly inside the system. So all get a fiber kai by you looking what's releasing energy go slowly inside the body. Time sugars are rush go inside them poisoning system lo mipla. So when you looking all get a sugar and go easy go inside. So you kai high fiber food, but you no hungry hurry up. But you full up hurry up, but you no hungry hurry up can lo kai can. Suppose you kai white rice, but you can eat as much as you want. And after you eat it, you'll be hungry again. But if you eat brown rice, you buy no finishing plenty, now buy no hungry hurry up. You just scale him. Brown rice, white rice, mipla can kai triple plate. Now scale him cow. All give me one big piece of cow. All months a struggle of finishing me. I worry by like pundam. I'm true no guy. But you kai na, but mouse by dry na, by like drink warana. No one says, please give him triple foplo cow come lo me. But rice, you better please one more spoon put him go on top. I'm true no guy. Because cows are feeling man. White rice is not feeling man. This lime all kai we planted mipla like him, mipla live lamb today. This lol kai also release him sugar fast inside the system. Emsa just shoot go inside, emsa poison him system lo mipla. So fibers are actually halving this la work lo controlling way where sugar run inside. We'll look at one of our talks, blood is life, namibla, by looking why it's important, lo controlling this way where sugar run. How much fiber is enough for you and me? One am thinking, how much fiber is enough? The best way, well, how do you know you're drinking enough water? Let me ask it this way. How about you clear so you drink enough water stuff? You by looking one am. Urine blow you, piss blow you. So time your piss no can look go on top. Lulu go down and check him kalablo piss. So you look save, am I drinking enough water or not? If your piss is very light yellow, you're drinking enough. If it's clear, you're drinking too much, or it's very cold. But if it's yellow, or very dark yellow orange, you're not drinking enough. Your piss should be a very light yellow color, very light yellow color. So what about fiber? How about you clear so you see enough fiber? Look at the number of times you go to the toilet. And not just the number of times, but you must also check your backpack. It should be like a soft, ripe banana. You think all banana mi plus akaiga just cooking, but banana you miss akaiga ripe one. That feeling of the banana. Me no toki lo go feel backpack blue now night or tomorrow. But you look him, it should look like that. You look him or sem got some crack on top na look or sem drought rain no pundan lahab na kaino sem. Or look or sem blow meme or kaino sem. You are in trouble. You are not taking enough fiber. So you can scale him lo backpack blue. These are the countries where all no got enough fiber inside the system blow. All red na pink. North America, Canada, South America, northern parts of Africa where all plenty of white man been colonizing. Southern Africa where white man too been colonizing plenty. Then you lulu go Middle East, you lulu go Europe, you lulu go Asia, Northern Asia, Russia. This la all get a country come lo one name, Southeast Asia, then you come Australia, New Zealand. All those countries, mostly where white people are, have low fiber intake. Low fiber intake. Almost like enough diet blow. Almost like enough. Is it a problem if we don't get enough? Why else is fiber important? This is probably one of the most important reasons. Why am important? Because remember, mipla no sa absorbing golo system lo mipla. Em no got energy, em no got protein, no got one grease inside. It doesn't do anything other than just pass through. Mipla no sa absorbing. So why else is it important? What M1M something? M all binatan stablo bell rope. Suppose people are looking good. Sorry, it's not too clear, but all binatan stab inside lo bell rope. Let me ask you a question. Germs are good or bad? All man start thinking planting now. Let me ask it in another way. Angels are good or bad? Both, huh? You have good angels and you have bad angels. What's the work of the good angels? To protect you and look after you, right? What's the work of the bad angels? Lo bagarabimio. Am I right or no, God? Germs. Good or bad? Both. Good germs, what do? Protect you. Bad germs? Try and lo bagarabimio. Am I right or no, God? So believe it or not, God put good germs all over our body. Suppose you look him skin blue, there's 1,000 different kinds of good germs. 1,000 different kinds. Em minimos em kerema goilala, kupiano, wanem hula, kemabolo, wanem lenki lo wabeg na igatraka manda lahab nadla olkaim 1,000 different kinds. Tokoba lo hagen na igat hagen central na amaspla you count him 1,000 different kinds of good germs. Now lo family blow you imagine how much million blow good germs tab. Lo disla one bla family line and you multiply by 1,000. You can imagine how many germs you have on your skin. 1,000 different kinds of good germs on your skin that protect you and me. So we're not supposed to use medicated soap on our skin. Hemsa kill him this law good bla binatang. People understanding me or no, God? You are not only wiping out the bad ones, you're also wiping out the good ones that protect you. Inside lo stomach blomipla, there are about 25 different kinds of good germs. Inside lo lung blomipla, now this la breathing box go down, or windpipe go down. 600 different kinds of good germs. Golo belro blomipla, 500 to 1,000 different kinds of good germs. Now the question is, do germs eat? All germs also kaigai tu or no, God? Yes. So what about these germs in the intestines? What do they eat? Ting now. So the good germs, especially the ones lo intestines, also kisim disla. This is our cell. Na information we stop inside. Tamibla kisim kai we full up lo fiber. Namipla kai. Even though we don't use the fiber much in our system, these la fibers are gonna feed him. This will get a good germs lo intestine lo mipla. Also need him lo kai. Na time all kai also producing more special chemical where body lo mipla sa absorbing go inside na emsa walk on top lo this la information lo mipla. People understand him or no, God? This la chemicals or good germs are producing sa go walk on top lo information. Then this la information. And by walk strong lo bani si mipla lo sick. So you don't get cancer, you don't get diabetes. You don't get asthma. You don't get arthritis or joints and pain na sola. You don't get these illnesses. And banisimulo sick. Even COVID-19. Banisimulo sick. And then I'm going to walk on top so that intestine blue can be prevented from cancer. You know, catch him cancer lahapo. Cancer lo susu. Cancer lo ovary. Or one lo body blue. And at the same time I'm walk gona. Halivim kuru lo pikinini lo develop good. Those chemicals from the good germs help the brain to develop properly when we eat fiber and feed them. Now imagine if your child, you're feeding them white bread for breakfast. White bread for breakfast. All kage white bread, you give them 5 kina go to school, or buy him Coke, one time snacks biscuit. And then they eat that for lunch. Then I'll come back to the house, dinner, you give them all white rice, one time oxen palm. Na tripla fopla leaf kumu, or one pla banana. Have they taken any fiber into their system in the whole day? Almost nothing. And what do you think about these good germs? What happens to you when you don't eat for one day? Plantiman by gisim time, I by round. Some boys are looking all time on no kake eye blows a sink go inside. Don't go weak na stop quiet. Plus are clear out some money no kake. People are understanding me or no, but you feel like that, yeah. But imagine if you don't take enough fiber, these germs, they are starving. Now you constantly eat white rice, white bread, and all the processed foods, white biscuits and whatever, sweets and everything. Imagine what's happening to these good germs that help protect our system against cancer, against disease, and help us to be healthy. All die. All die and die. All scientists, are you happy for me to go over or stop? Continue on, finish him. Okay, please, forgive me. Some time Mr. talk to go over. Hopefully we'll be finished in the next 10-15 minutes. All scientists been making experiment all rat. Time all rat been born, come out, all rausim this la normal good pla binatan inside lo belrob lo all rausim na put him lo human being go inside. The 1,000 different kinds. And as they grew up, all feed him all one time plenty fiber kai kai. But time all grow come anta lo one pla level na all rausim this la all get a good pla kai kai na all put him no good kai kai go anta. Now this la all bin rat all kai kai no good kai kai go, and then they tested this la all binatan we stop lo belrob lo. Now looking Muslim, this like 1,000 different kinds and put down come all get about 30% of what was there before. Instead of 1,000 different kinds, maybe just 200 or 300 different kinds. So 600, 700, 800 different kinds all wipe out. Just from what they were eating. Now time this la rat and all karem ken. Now they fed them a good diet again later, but they found that numbers come up good to us. And time all karem Piginini blow, Karim Golo, great-grandchild to the great-grandchild, great-great-grandchild, 4 generations down. This la bad germs all pass him, this la good germs, lik number all pass him go all the way, lo this la great-great-boo-boo blow. So in other words, if you don't eat well now, you eat a lot of white rice, white bread now you wipe him out system blow you will pass it to your great-great-grandchild. We are fortunate that our grandparents were eating garden food. People are understanding or no God. But what about our great-grandchildren and our grandchildren now? All the people sitting here where you tribe Lapinis. Have you done justice to them? Something to think about. All looking all line we also hunt together lo Tanzania, one country lo Africa, all hunter gatherer. They have close to the 1,000 different kinds of good germs in their system. Now, all scaling one line, lo countries like Australia, Europe, all countries lo Europe, lo America. These countries didn't have many good germs in their system. Only 1/3, 30% of the actual number and stuff. What are we eating today? What we see as food. This is what we're eating. Our good germs don't feed on those ones. This is something all kisim lo corn, and sugar lo corn, all call him fructose. You will find this in tomato sauce, you will find it in almost every single food in the supermarket. All edim lo, every single food you can find. Even soft drinks, they use this to make soft drinks. This one is not good for your gut if you take fructose in any form. If you love meat, you man, you say like imabus, you by hating fiber, believe it or not. If you sa looking kagaruk na mauswara sa punna nating na you sa posemol browsim leg blue no gim lo nalbla and you sa like I wara na karai na cross. If you're that kind of person, you will hate fiber. If you love meat, you will not love fiber. Jesus talk you cannot serve 2 masters. True, suppose you love him meat, you will hate fiber. You don't see people eating high fiber food with a lot of protein. All by like a white rice with a lot of protein. That's the way we eat today. Lot of sweets. If you love white rice, you love sweets like this. Trust me, you don't love fiber. Because taste blow one plan different lo taste blow another plan. But you keke fiber by you talk. You plug in brown rice or some people line stop lo bomana. People no inmate prisoner you plug in brown rice stop. When parents want to change, the children complain, and the parents because of the children also sorena taning go back. But even me go lo bomana last year na me ask him olipla sa kege brown rice. Because all get sa talk brown rice and kaya lo inmate. Me go lab no talk no gadono sa kaya brown rice. And now I'm white rice, they changed. So they're not as strong as they used to be. This lime appendix. Big pla bell rope start blame appendix a stop. Well, lick bell ropes are go join in big pla. Plenty old man Maria because pekpeks are stuck lo system for many days. Emsa make him appendix so na emsa fire na buruk inside lo body. And many people are living without their appendix because ol kisim ol bagarap kaikai. The cause of appendicitis or appendix and buruk, whatever it is, low fiber diet. You're not eating enough fiber. That's the reason. Before me plus alukilo 20, 30-year-olds, today we see appendicitis in 10, 12-year-olds. When I was a medical student, me plus alukilo 20, 30-year-olds. Now me plus aluki 10, 12-year-olds. They're having their appendix removed. Because time will come out, lo mama will kake rubbish from day one, go all the way. No fiber in their food. And this is the liver, picture of the liver of the body. Now backside the liver, I got this la red pla, well here I'm showing red, but you by look at green pla bilum lo poison. You pla man sa operate lo kagaruk na, one miss operate lo mama, but you got lines operate lo kagaruk na pig na, kain one em cow, you pla let this so cow em stuff, operator stuff. You will see this thing there. This lamb got work lo absorbing poison lo system, absorbing grease lo system. So liver sa make him this la something lo absorbing grease, store him lo hap, then em sa put him go lo bell rope na absorb him. Planty line because all kage planty grease, not enough fiber. This la something and pull up na thick inside. That's the gallbladder. It's thick with fluid. And then emsa also kisi pain underneath the right side. And then long time emsa go thick, and emsa come up na form him stone. So a lot of people are walking around with pain because they have stones in their gallbladder. If you eat a better diet, you can prevent this. A lot of people have this kind of greasy one, and some already have stones inside. And then, strombla pixa, baina blo kisi cancer start develop on the inside lo intestines bleed. Belro bleed by start growing cancer. You plotting in this map, me show him all countries where almost kisi enough fiber. Yes, we're winding down now. This is the map. You remember those countries. Now I'll show you another map. This map I'm showing place we all got plenty more sick diabetes. North America, Canada, South America, northern parts of Africa, a bit of South Africa, Middle East, and then you have part of India there, and then you have the northern parts of Asia and Europe, and then you have Russia, then you come to Southeast Asia, Australia, New Zealand. High rates of diabetes. Is that map similar to this map? It's just the colors are different. If we use the same colors, you by look at tupla and one kind. All countries where got more diabetes, they have less fiber in their diet. More diabetes. This land place we all got more breast cancer, it's red and orange. You by looking low North America, Canada, South America, you looking low Europe, go low northern parts of Asia, go low Russia, come low southern parts of Africa, Middle East, then come low Southeast Asia, Australia, New Zealand. High rates of breast cancer. Does it look similar to something else you saw already? Look, one kind of this low fiber intake. This slide complicated one legally, but it shows the countries that lead in cancer. All got more numbers of cancer. And those countries, believe it or not, if I can read it there, I can't, but Australia, New Zealand, the United States of America, North America, South America, Europe. All those countries are leading in new cases of cancer every year. Now you look in Pinis. Now this is another map. The last map I will show you. What do you think this is a map of? What kind of illness? Yeah. Well, beginning answering, all guests answering good. This is COVID-19, the countries that are hardest hit by COVID-19. Does that map look similar to you? Looks like some other maps we saw just before, no? North America, hardest hit, Canada, South America, northern parts of Africa, South Africa, then you go to Middle East, Europe, come to Asia, then you cut him go to Northern Asia, go to Russia, come down to Southeast Asia, go to Australia, New Zealand. People look at something or no? These countries are struggling because of their diet. If you look at China, China actually has, even though they've got plenty case, you look at them got plenty diet no God. China actually has better fiber intake than those other countries. People notice him too or no God? Can what you eat protect you? God doesn't need to send angels to look after us. Them give him instructions, Pinis. Papa Mama also give instruction lo pikinini, don't talk to strangers. We already have the instructions. You don't need lo kisi mahiri mamla bodyguard lo look out the pikinini blue yun around. Go to school na bodyguard by sinna na watch stuff. All by thinking pikinini lo prime minister want him something or bodyguard around one time. We don't need to do that. We give the instructions. Does God need angels to follow us with what we're eating? No. People pick him up, car, put him lo mouse angel by come. you make him want him stop. Long, no can make him can. All by no can make him awesome. No. God already gave us the instruction. At the end of the day, it's whose choice? Our choice. Our choice. We can be protected, my brothers and sisters. Washing hands is good, yes. Social distancing is good, yes. All those things are good, but a healthy diet is superior to all of those things. And we need more that is something. Because a healthy diet is actually obedience to God's word. This is the map we looked at before. So please don't fall in that one. Port Moresby is falling into it, Ley is falling into it, Hagen is falling into it. The places where all big plus stores and stuff, people go one kind of stuff. So what should we do? We should stop eating these ones. Don't consider them as food. If you have it in your cupboard, finish it and don't touch it again. But if you have money to buy more food, then go and buy better food and give those ones away. This has always been the original diet from Eden. It has never changed. And it will never change. You go to heaven by no looky karuk lanta. No good you go anta by you find him karuk, run him round stuff, now angel by foul. Mania make you one him stuff here. Please me tired look again mana na me tired look again this lol pomegranate na one him kind something you put it lo table ya me like a karuk past time. People are excusing me lo this la one black karuk. By no make him Muslim lo heaven. This is the original diet because it has a purpose for us. And do you see something beside it? Water. There's no garden of Coca-Cola in the Garden of Eden. No fountain of Coca-Cola in the Garden of Eden. No fountain of Sprite or Mountain Dew in the Garden of Eden. No fountain of 7-Up in the Garden of Eden. There was only a fountain of water. No fountain of fruit juice too. Nobody think fruit juice is a holy drink and it's good. There's only water. So please, healthy diet and water. And may God bless you all. Amen.